Firstly, I mean this project is in an existing old building. So the old building had its own structural challenges, and also there were many things that we didn't know about the project in detail. For example, when we were handed over the project, there were challenges of the structural system and what sort of flow base is there. So all these little details, they had an impact on the design. There were design changes that were incorporated. We were, able to get more height into the space, etc. Otherwise, we're glad that we got involved in a small boutique project of Delhi Golf Club, and we were able to contribute. So it was put together in a short time of 4 months, that we were able to dismantle the existing club and then sort of bring it back to life. And it has been well received by all the golf club members here. They're very happy with the space, the positive space that it has become.
So I think in keeping with the heritage and the history of Bidiri Road, it is very, very important for us to look at a balanced vision, something that is that speaks of the heritage of the club, yet embracing modern facilities, modern comforts that the members of the club deserve in this day and age. So I think every detail, every whether it's the lighting, material selections, furniture, that was all set aside in keeping in mind that balance that we had to create.
It's been a great inauguration. We had our full committee here, and we had the finance secretary of Government of India inaugurating it. So it's been a good event, and we had the limited number of members who came because the course is closed now for the DG World. But whoever came really found a great job done by the full team, and they really liked what is we created.
And it would mean a lot to the members and to us personally, because we've really worked hard for the last 5 months to get this together. It was a tough decision to take to do this project, but I think hindsight, it was a good thing we did. It means a lot to us.
I think the members are loving the fact that we have modernized the facilities. This is the very old members club, and the members here have been here for generations. And I think this is literally the start of a new chapter. It's a milestone for the Delhi Golf Club. It is the start of a new chapter for the Delhi Golf Club, where we are looking at modernizing the club.
So quality of material used, quality of the finished product is something that people have really, it has surprised people that the club has really gone up in its standards and created something really 7-star, comparable to the best and even lower.
The monsoon was a challenge, but thankfully this was more an indoor space. So the work was done, within a confined space. So it could continue during the monsoon, but the project, of course, had many elements, many materials, and they were all closely, correlated with one another. There was off-site work, there was work which was happening on the site. So that way, a project of this complexity, the interior of this complexity, it was a challenge to bring it together within the timelines of the forthcoming tournament that the Delhi Golf Club is going to have. So we are glad that it's ready, 2 weeks in advance of the commencement of the tournament. So it's a relief to us as well as to the, the golf club members, So
What they would appreciate is the level has been taken up to a great extent from what it was earlier. And this is the world-class facility which we've given them. I'm sure they're going to admire
So we are working with an old building. It's a low structure. It has its fair set of complexities. But we do have a very, very beautiful view to the outside of the beautiful monuments that Aga Khan is now restoring. So I think one of the most important things for me was to make sure that we can bring in some natural light and give the aspect of views from the space. Space constraints we had to work with and tight timelines because we were very easily devoted. And I think with that in mind, the PMC has really, really given us a lot of support in terms of navigating the process, tracking our timelines, quality. So I think I have to take this moment to thank all the teams involved. First, the leadership of the club for entrusting us with this responsibility, all our consultants, and our execution contractors for actually the hard work that they have put in the last 5 months. It's been quite trying for these, and I would want to thank my design team for the creativity and the perseverance they've shown. This is a team effort. It's we have been done without all the support.
So the biggest challenge is because the change room is used by golfers every day. So the biggest challenge was having the golfers not use the change room, and the alternate was the swimming pool change room. So that caused a lot of inconvenience. So timing was of essence. And although we were late by a month, we planned to open the 31st of August. But I think it was a complex project. A lot of hard work has gone in. So the 1 month delay is not a problem really after people have seen it finished. And I knew that. And I knew after seeing this, everybody would get that it's running a bit late. And we have a big tournament coming up. We have top golfers from the world coming. Which is why we rushed into the project actually. We could have done it later on, a few months later. But 16th of October, the tournament starts. And to showcase our club's change deals as part of our world-class course is going to be a very big achievement for us.
Yeah. So in this particular project, I mean, as a PMC, we have defined processes for all the elements that have come in. So therefore, based on those processes, we were able to set the benchmarks of acceptance with the contractor. We were able to define that what is the benchmark quality that needs to be achieved, for a space like this. Since there were different elements, particularly the services, the engineering services here, we added a lot of value in terms of the routing of the services, in terms of how the layers of services and the finishing they come together. So so I mean, that way it's a very good design and many materials which have come together. So we were able to critique the contractor as he was executing the project.
So when we conceptualized this project, we realized that it would be very difficult to accomplish without a PMC. And now going forward, every project above a certain value will have a PMC involved at the Telecom Club. And we did tender and we managed to get the best PMC that we could hear.
I think RRE has a very good sense of how to navigate design and how to be able to uplift the quality and give the architect the quality that they want. And the technical expertise have also really helped along the way. And I think problem solving skills that we've done together, they have been fun. They have been good to work with.
Peace is one of the most important elements in your project, like this already in the construction project, because there's a lot of coordination that's required between the clients, the architects, the director, the various other elements in the club. There are more than these because there's a club staff, etc., etc. I think PMC binds everybody together, coordinates with everybody, just make sure that the project nuances are well taken care of, runs on time, checks the quality of material, comes up with the snacks, etc. So PLC plays a very important role in play a very important role in our project.
Well, any project worth its size is bound to have its glitches. So there was no exception with us. And we did face them, therefore we got delayed by about 2-3 weeks. But that's all right. I mean, we do understand that when you're doing a project like this, there are bound to be some hiccups. We unfortunately went into the monsoon weather, the POP was not trying. So we had our initial problem, which we overcame. Still, we managed to open it in good times. Well, you all being the PMCs, as I said, we found the best. You have done a great job.
I think the PNC is a nodal sort of organization which is in charge of the site. So at RRA, we have always been applying our past experience and we are taking full ownership of the project. So therefore, we have a vision of where, to what level, we need to sort of achieve the end product quality. So we always strive to improve the on-site processes. We always strive to sort of push the contractors, and wherever we can, we do add, whether it is in the design or it is in the execution, we definitely communicate to all the agencies of how to achieve a better product quality. So being a nodal organization, and the role of the PMC is very important in terms of sort of critiquing the contractor, contributing wherever we have some inputs, to bring to the attention of the designer. So I think there is a vital role of a central nodal body which takes the full ownership of the project and delivers it.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time and congratulations again.
Thank you.